Decoding the phrase, wage bill. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, wage bill. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and why it's important in certain contexts. Let's get started. First, let's understand the two words in the phrase. 1. Wage. This is the money that is paid to an employee for the work they've done. It's usually given hourly, daily, or weekly. 2. Bill. While you might think of a bill as something you receive when you need to pay for something, in this context, it means the total amount or cost of something. Putting these two definitions together, can you guess what wage bill might mean? The wage bill refers to the total amount of money a company or organization spends on paying its employees. It's essentially the combined wages of all the staff for a certain period. This can include salaries, bonuses, and any other form of compensation. For example, if a company pays $50,000 in total to all its employees in a month, then the wage bill for that month is $50,000. You might wonder, why do we even need a term like this? 1. Budgeting. For businesses and organizations, understanding the wage bill helps in budgeting and ensuring there's enough money to pay employees. 2. Economic analysis. On a larger scale, the wage bill of sectors or countries can give insights into employment trends, economic health, and more. 3. Negotiations. Unions or workers' representatives might discuss the wage bill when negotiating salaries or benefits. To make sure you've grasped the concept, let's look at a few example sentences. 1. The company is looking to reduce its wage bill by hiring part-time staff. 2. The government's wage bill has increased due to the addition of new public services. 3. To stay profitable, the sports team might have to limit its wage bill in the upcoming year. And there you have it. The phrase, wage bill, simply refers to the total amount spent on employees' wages. It's a useful term for businesses, economists, and anyone interested in understanding more about employment costs. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the nuances of the English language.